All right, this is a second and final test fire before I put her in the greenhouse and get the smokestack and stuff on. But again, I got my supply reservoir figured out, and I don't know, let's see. Well, it's not screaming hot yet, but it's only been going for like 3-4 minutes. So it's yeah, I can't wait till it's running no full bore though. And so we decided on a 5-gallon bucket for our reservoir. That's plenty big. I'm gonna have to build a shelf over there in the greenhouse for it to sit on. You never want to trust the handles on these, so you wouldn't want to hang it from the handle. I think that would be a catastrophe, I would think. So yeah, I'm hoping I got enough copper. I did have to buy the copper tubing. I bought, what is it, 3/8 copper tubing, I believe. But let me show you how we did our reservoir here. And that way you can, well, I'll get flipped around in a second. It's a cloudy, blustery. You know, we actually had snow pellets falling out of the sky. So, yeah, I looked out. I got sun shining on one side and snow falling on the other, but that's all right. So we're getting this done right about in time. The siding thing, that's gonna frustrate me if it's like this on Saturday, but hopefully it won't be. So anyway, I'll flip you around. You can see our reservoir and how we did that. So obviously we got our gate valve here, and then down there we've got our needle valve. That's your fine tune adjustment. And then so that we drilled a hole in the bucket. It's got gaskets on both sides. And I filled it about half full of water. See what it would do. It didn't leak. So, and oil's thicker than water. So, didn't leak with water in it. I think we're going to be all right. So that gate valve, what that's going to be like is you just open that up all the way, fill that pipe, that little piece of copper line there full, and then that needle valve there, that's where you slow her down to a trickle. So but you want to run that other pipe full. The needle valve, again, this is going to be challenging. I kept that up off the bottom of the bucket, that the outlet kept up off the bottom of the bucket about 1.5 inches, so that any sludge could fall to the bottom and we wouldn't have to worry about it plugging up lines. So, but it is something that's going to have to be checked regularly. I thought about putting another discharge on the bottom that was kind of like a clean out, but it's a 5-gallon bucket. Just unhook things and yeah, it's not a big deal. So, but that's what we did today. I got that fired up and I can see heat waves coming off of it just a little bit, and I think I'll go ahead and, I don't have any cinder blocks yet or cement pads to set this on, but I think I will let her cool off a little bit, and then I'll carry her over to the greenhouse and start getting that set up so I know where everything's going to be. But yeah, so that's what we've been doing this morning. And I don't know, I reckon I probably could go get the plywood, but like I said in the earlier video, we're going to wait till payday. So it's not expensive. It's just good habit to get into, right? So don't ever put yourself in a bind. So yeah, I think that's pretty much all we're going to do today. Like I said, it's cold, windy. Welding that sheath pipe in there, that 1/2 inch pipe in there, was a bear because I have to do it outside. I can't weld inside my shop here. I probably could, but I have too much stuff in here. The boys' track chair and everything. I don't want to get sparks on that, so just better do it out there. But anyway, have a good day. God bless. Jesus saves. Be thankful for every day that you have, and love one another. We'll talk to you soon.